Looks like good.
He's 18 now, so. No.
Thank you.
That's the limit. I'm gonna rotate. Like in Rocket League.
So
I'd
quiet.
say more like Fortnite.
Go from.
Like those?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, it's like
I
really
like this
squishy.
one
Yeah,
a
it's
lot.
kind of nice.
That's like one of my
It's
favorite
Kind of
toys.
nice.
Thank
But it
you.
is.
Sometimes to see like.
Stop. I don't know what to grab. Someone should like talk.
The battery is full. So you
That's
can do
actually
it. I
pretty
want to
cool.
put it so you can see
Where should I put it?
Put it next to your light.
Yeah, there-
Okay. Christmas
The
ladies. Thank you. No.
I remember that one.
Oh, that's cool.
That's fun to squish.
You need that for
That
math
the
class or
Christmas
something.
cookie's my favorite one.
Instead of my laptop.
Throw it at the teacher.
Card.
Oh. Really weird noise.
Whoa. 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 That's really big.
hardly
I've
that
never,
before.
yeah, I've never seen it look like that. Thank you.
But
The Christmas lady.
yeah,
Thank you.
Let me see.
is that
It's like half the size of my hoodies.
We should play
Oh
that.
god, this is gonna be...
I'd probably get it all wrong. What'll be like?
It's gonna be like, what's the average size of a red drum?
Red snapper.
What is largemouth bass scientific name?
It's definitely the Microptera.
If you learning that at school,
I definitely
college.
need
I
these.
think it's for going fishing.
For ice fishing. Thermal socks.
how do they work?
There's
It's just the material.
yeah.
Oh, it's poly.
Is that for
Family
ice
size.
fishing?
What does that mean?
Yeah.
It's got
Body
four
warmers. What is
hand
warmers?
warmers.
What is a
Body
body warmer?
warmer. If you can guess the number printed inside this birthday card, you will win $1 million.
Oh,
I'll even give you a hint. It's between 3 and 5. It's like a really long number.
4 point something.
Love you.
I didn't even think about it. I should have got you a scratch-off ticket.
Oh, now I can cash it in.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. At school during lunch,
Yeah.
I can like go get Dunkin' Donuts.
And what are you showing to?
Oh yeah, for gas. I actually had
6 months they were
Oh,
having a
thank
war
you.
with the guy across the
Jack
street. What? 20,
That tank's
I see.
late
What kind
2020.
of gas does it take?
but it usually
Gallon.
takes me around $40 to $45 to fill it.
Really?
Is it
Mine cost me
20
60.
30
Egg
cents difference
nuggets.
going to Boston Spa.
B fish.
It is.
C
It is
meat.
30% different.
D bread.
that was a big, that's why I told
I think
you.
it's
You
nice.
didn't know
And you
it?
know
You didn't
what?
want it?
DJ's
Nah,
gas
it's
is
Did you put like a chip on your hook?
Yeah. Yes.
307.
Did you put a chip on your hook? That's like the
Yeah.
best.
Like brand no salt.